It's a 2016 Audi S4. This S4 exemplifies control, poise, and athleticism, all with a supercharged 3.0 TFSI engine with 333 horsepower awaiting your foot. It exudes style with the Audi S exterior appearance, Xenon Plus headlights, LED taillights, and S-model quad exhaust outlets. The interior is all about pleasing its passengers with 3-zone automatic climate control, heated leather seats with driver seat memory, and Audi Music interface with iPod integration. When almost any kind of road comes into question, Audi Drive Select will let you answer with 4 different driving modes to choose from and maximize your grip with the proven QUATTRO all-wheel drive. The attention to detail and dedication to craftsmanship is what really stands out in this S4. Come take a look for yourself today.
We're proud to be a 10-time winner of Audi's prestigious Magna Award. We are conveniently located at 170 Main Dunstable Road in Nashua, New Hampshire, off Route 3 at Exit 5.